ready for the day. It's actually like 3 o'clock and I'm gonna start cleaning up this place because it is a disaster and school starts on Monday and I don't want to have a messy house before school and Walter comes home tomorrow. So laundry is going, kind of tidied up a bit, but we are going to give this place like a good deep clean. Right, babe?
Yeah.
He's probably just gonna play video games because, to be honest, see, laundry, I actually just washed our sheets. I actually like cleaning by myself. It's very cathartic. I will say Andrew is an amazing help and he will clean if I ask him. Even if I don't ask him, he does it and he does a pretty good job, but I prefer to do it on my own. So, not today. Finished cleaning other than our bedroom, but I'm washing like everything, the sheets, the blankets, the comforter, and we are actually going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond, I think like within the next 20 minutes, and buy some new pillows because our pillows are pretty old. How old are our pillows? enough that we should probably throw them out. Apparently you're supposed to get a new pillow every few years, and we specifically buy our pillows on the positions that we sleep in. So mine was a really like, I don't know, it's just all like lumpy now. So I don't want to make the bed because we're gonna be getting new pillows tonight. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings, even though that's keto friendly. Today is my, I think today and tomorrow are my last like non-keto days, and then Sunday, day 1. We are looking for pillows. Did you get this one? What's this one? Oh, the bamboo? Yeah, I've kind of been wondering about those. They stay cool. Well, you should care. It's your sleep. Andrew picked the most random pillow. Andrew's not feeling well. So, yeah, so we got the bamboo pillows. It says, Andrew, yours is all ripped. You picked the... Oh my gosh.
You think it's fine?
Oh my god. He like just grabbed one and it like has all these slashes in it. Did you like at least look at the pillow?
No.
Oh my gosh, I think it's fine. So this says it's incredibly soft and smooth. It stays cool all night because I hate being warm when I go to sleep. And it's adjustable support. I don't know how, but it says soft, medium, firm. And it's perfect for all sleepers. Andrew's a back sleeper, I'm a side sleeper, and it's good also for stomach sleepers. It's like $60 each. Am I taking you home, or what's happening? Yep. Andrew's going home. I'm gonna go hang out with my family. Whew. Hey, can you grab the food? Oh, thanks. Oh, I have such a bad sore throat. Yeah, my throat's so swollen. Ugh. Andrew was sick, now I'm sick. This is just not our night, huh? It smells good in here. Oh, it's the new scent. It is time to go to bed. This is the new pillow. We just washed the sheets. It's pretty high up. Your head sinks into it.
Yeah, it does.
This will be interesting. We are very picky pillow users. Oh, today has just not been this week has not been a good hair week. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna wash this face and go to bed. Today is the last day of staycation. Tomorrow's Saturday, but we're actually probably gonna go grocery shopping and finish off the rest of what we need to do to begin life in the real world next week. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for another video. Good night.